Hello teacher, this is my project for web open source technologies. So first of all, this is the Vercel app that my project is running on. So first we're gonna go to vercel.com and then we see my account that is related. Okay, so here I go to my app that is running on. So as you can see, it's running. The status is ready. Okay, so we just go ahead right here to the link and we start running the app. Okay, this is the panel of the user. This is the whole front end that my app is gonna use it. So first of all, we have the email address and password. So after we connect everything with the database. So we're gonna give them like email and password to log in our system. But so if our user doesn't have it, so he can go right here to this form and he could fill it up and we can give them access. So first of all, this is the main panel that we're gonna use it. So every single user that want go in our app, they have to log in based on credentials that we're going to give them. So we have two different type of credentials. We have for users and we have for admins. So after you log in, you're going to see something like this. So here we're going to see all the tasks that we have so far. So this is a CRUD for the task manager. So if we press right here, we can view the information of the task. So here we're gonna, with the help of the database and the backend, we have to load the information right here in in the fields, but we cannot edit. We just can't see. So we right here we can just go back, and if the user is admin, they will be able to edit the task right here. So they could like edit here right here if they need something like change it. So of course we have to load the data like here in the fields, and then we can like go ahead and edit the fields. So, and also if we want delete, we just like click delete. It should be like delete automatically the register. So right now we don't have any backend running, so that's why this is just the front. Also, if we want to add a new task, so right here we have this created already, so task slash create. So here we could create new task, and we could go back. So here we have the users field. So here we can see all the users right here. The same thing. We could view the user, view the first name, last name, email, password. So here we have to load the data in these fields, and we could just go, and then we just go back and we want, if we want edit, uh, here we use like the row that's gonna be edit based on their ID, because we're gonna use like relationals databases. So in this case, we're gonna use SQL. Okay, and then we just go role right here. That's the same thing. We could view the role, like the role that is assigned each user. So we're gonna have here the username and the description. So this is a foreign table that we are gonna have in our system, and the team that is gonna be like a team department, which is assignment, a description, and also administrator that gonna be us. So that's so far my whole project. So here we're gonna show you really quick how my project is running. So everything is based on folders right here. So we just have to add, we right now we have to work on adding the backend. So let me just show you how we can, okay, give me a second. We have to be inside of the folder and then we can start our application. So the service is starting and here we go. There we have my running app that is running locally, that is running in Vercel right here. And also let me show you my GitHub account. Okay, so this is the GitHub account that I am using for this project. So if we just go right here, we have like the last commits that I have been done. And also the status here, it say that is running. So basically like the most hard thing that I have been done in this project is the point that I have to deploy this project. So how can I solve that? Is that I install Vercel npm Vercel right here, and then like I could control like the production in Vercel locally in my computer. So it will not, it will be do like commit and push automatically, and it's gonna like post on production. Okay, so that's kind of the most hard thing right now. So now I'm working on the backend section. So this is like the whole interface that we're gonna use for the project. So that's how it's going so far. So right now I don't need add any more screens for this project. Thank you so much, teacher, for your attention.